For the elastic bind off method, you first need to knit 2 stitches. You can then slip these 2 stitches back onto your left needle, and then you just need to knit these 2 stitches together through the back loops. So insert your needle through the back of both of them like this, and then just knit those together. You then just need to knit a stitch, and then again slip them back to the left needle and knit these 2 stitches together through the back loops. You're just going to repeat that process across the row, so knit a stitch, slip the 2 stitches back to the left needle, and then knit them together through the back loops. You may find it slightly easier to avoid slipping the 2 stitches back, so once you've knitted a stitch you can instead insert your left needle across the front of both of the stitches so you're in the same position to knit through the back loop, and then just straight away knit them through the back loop. And so that can be a little bit quicker, so again you just knit one, insert your left needle through the front of both of them, and then you're in the same position as you would have been if you'd slipped them back, ready to knit them together through the back loops. So I've reached my final stitch. Now I'm just going to break this yarn, leaving a tail so I can weave that in and then pass this yarn through this final loop. So I can take my needle out and then just pass this yarn through just to finish off this row. So now I've got my finished bind off, and it gives a nice stretchy edge to this shawl project.